Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you how to create new trending hollow blur videos. First of all, you have to open Capcut application from your mobile device. Click on new project and choose a video from your mobile gallery. For example, we choose this video. Click on add button to open your video in Capcut app. Now go to effects, video effects and click on trending. Scroll down and choose snow sport effect. Now again we will go to effects, video effects and now click on basic. In basic effects you have to click on halo blur effect. I can find it in first row and click on adjust within halo blur effect. Now decrease its speed to 0 and increase the intensity up to 100 and click on OK. Well, go back and once again choose halo blur effect. Now you can adjust all these three effects as per your requirements. You can apply them on a complete video or a particular part. This is a simple and easy process to apply new trending halo blur effect on your videos. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.